and then they showed him. No, wait, what? Okay, so the mom came out because we knocked on the door, and then what are we doing? Not even funny. 50 years.
We're walking down to the creek. Wait, is this it?
That's where we go.
Oh, that is okay.
Alapache Park. I don't know why it's called that.
I love palm trees. I've never seen a palm tree in my life, but now, like,
Oh my word, really?
oh, they're so cool. I love them. I can't wait to, like, draw one.
Oh yeah, we'll eat on some while you're here.
Yes, we should do that.
On one. That's a cool book. Look at that gazing. That's great. These are the people's cousins.
I know it's not a BMX bike, but it's a
Really?
BMX bike. Remember
the people that used to own our
remember the green bike that I had?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah, I have to put...
Look at this one. This is a good one from the bottom.
How many trains come by here?
I know, one.
I'm just kidding. One per
But how many a day or something?
Probably maybe one per day. Two. Maybe one in the middle of the night and then one in the night. Yeah, 6.
Do you ever hear it in the night?
No, we're used to it.
Yeah, we have one.
This is a good throwing ball. Let's see how far I can throw this, right? Oh. Wait, we should get out because you were probably gonna yell at us and we're supposed to be in school, so.
No, we're not. If we tell them we're homeschooled, that's enough for them.
Yeah, they'll be like,
Let's put a.
I've always tried to put a penny on here.
Then we'd have to put that bike back on the van.
This is a fail and a half. Or we can walk it.
The house would be twice as expensive. Traffic.
Look at that marine boat.
We gotta move.
When I play something from here, I have a line from this. Thinking countries. And now.
Where'd everybody go?
Oh, guys, everybody's leaving.
It looks so soft.
He knows his handler.
A pet baby alcohol.
Tiny.
Oh my goodness.